Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad paper, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Then click on Bluetooth section over here and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In order to continue, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device and select Unpair at the bottom. Then, to connect to the same one again, just click on it and tap on Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!